Today we're going to talk about getting comfortable with being uncomfortable in your trading. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, just overlooking Peppermint Grove in Perth. Beautiful spot, as you can see, looking out at the Swan River. Beautiful view. I like to come up here sometimes early in the mornings and have a bit of what I call genius time. So, you've seen me down at the beach a lot and out in the morning with my dogs. I'm an early morning riser. I usually have the headphones on, and I like to do that sometimes when I'm at the screen, just going through charts and strategizing and just looking at new ways that the market could possibly be traded. And I also just sometimes will come up here and put a podcast or something on and relax, because it's such a great spot to just have a bit of clarity. Different types of traders approach the markets differently, but ultimately at the end of the day, when you're starting to get consistent in your trading, or you're pushing size, or you're trying to go to the next level with your trading, often there's an uncomfortable zone there that will challenge you, not only in terms of your trading skills, but your discipline, your mental toughness, your ability to hold through volatility and hold through challenging markets. When each tick of the market up and down, if you're focused on your P&L, affects your psyche. And as I've talked about trying to increase sizing in my trades, at some point you just have to get uncomfortable with the fact that you are going to experience losses that are going to be bigger, and be okay with that. And you need to get comfortable with being uncomfortable in terms of taking that size on. And one of the things that I talked about this in my other videos is that one of the things that it's definitely made me really realize is that the bigger you trade, it's hard and fast with your stops. And if you really want to get disciplined with taking stop losses, take bigger losses in terms of size of your trades. Now, it may sound funny, but as my trades have gotten larger, it's easier and easier for me to take my 1 hour stop. Even though it's a bigger dollar amount, it's painful if you look at, as you go at a larger size, that dollar amount can represent a significant, maybe income to somebody or whatever that is. But at the end of the day, if you've got trading capital you've put aside as your risk capital, and you've got money management rules in place that you're prepared to follow, as I've talked about, you need to master 1 or 2 simple setups, really master them, get really, really good at them. We talk about this with the accelerated learning in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. If you haven't got that yet, go get it. It's an audio file. You can download it, create your own daily routine, but practice, practice, practice. Have an accelerated learning component to that, so that each day you can go through and simulate trading, or run strategizing and trading strategies and test them out, and really be prepared for any nuances or any black swans that the market may throw at you. Gaps, spreads widening, volatility changing, whatever that is, and know your instrument intuitively that you're trading. When you do that, start to trade it with whatever micro lots or small mini accounts. Increase that to standard size contracts when you're comfortable, or when you've got the runs on the board, and then do that as you master those setups, and you get better and better and better at it, and you've got a positive expectancy, and you've got a high successive hit rate in terms of having enough trades. Then the next step is obviously making sure that you're prepared to increase your size, but at the same time you got to be hard and fast on managing the downside. You got to be able to hit those stops, whatever that 1 hour is for you. Take the loss, go on to the next trade, and be prepared to go through a drawdown. Know that maybe at some point you might hit 7 losers in a row, whatever that is, but be comfortable with that discomfort, knowing that when you come out, and if you're hitting 3R on your trades or 4R on your trades, you can take those losses, but you've got to really master your setups, and you have to get to, at some point, in order to, when you get to size, you're going to need to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. And that's part of trading. People talk about don't focus on the money, don't let it get to you, but the reality of it is there's always going to be some kind of emotional component to your trading as long as there's money involved. But you need to be comfortable with being uncomfortable losing, and you need to be comfortable being uncomfortable taking size into the market. Know where your stop goes, leave it there, know where your profit target or where your exit's going to happen at, and then manage the trade as flawlessly as possible. Every single trade will teach you something new. Learn from it. Keep notes, detailed journal notes. Figure out how you can do it better next time. Keep getting better. Focus on constant progress. And as I said before, practice, practice, practice. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Whatever that is for you, get comfortable being uncomfortable, and every single week get better at one component of your trading system, master it, keep getting better at it, improve it. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and focus on constant progress. Get out, get some sunshine, and have some genius time, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.